Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify domain authority changes with Moz Metrics, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the Moz website. Create a free account if you don't already have one. Log in to your Moz account. Locate the Link Explorer tool on the home page. Enter the domain you want to check in the search bar. Click on the search button to retrieve the domain metrics. Review the domain authority score displayed prominently. Check the necessary metrics related to your domain, including page authority and backlinks. Take note of the domain authority score initially displayed. Repeat the process after making any changes to your website. Compare the new domain authority score with the previous one. Analyze the factors influencing any changes in your domain authority. Consider looking at other metrics, such as spam score and linking domains. Document your findings for future reference. Use this data to inform your SEO strategies moving forward. Keep in mind that changes to domain authority may take time to reflect. Stay updated with Moz algorithm updates for the best results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.